Nikola Tesla was a Serbian-American inventor and electrical engineer who is best known for his contributions to the design of the modern alternating current (AC) electrical supply system. Tesla was born in 1856 in Smiljan, Croatia, then part of the Austrian Empire. From a young age, Tesla showed a keen interest in science and technology. He attended the Austrian Polytechnic in Graz and later worked as an assistant to Thomas Edison in the United States. However, Tesla's vision for electrical power was very different from Edison's, and the two eventually parted ways. In the late 1880s, Tesla began developing his own AC electrical system, which used transformers to step up the voltage of electrical power and transmit it over long distances. In 1893, he convinced George Westinghouse to use his AC system to power the Chicago World's Columbian Exposition, which demonstrated the superiority of AC over Edison's direct current (DC) system. Tesla continued to develop a number of inventions throughout his life, including the Tesla coil, a high-voltage transformer that is still used today in radio and television technology. He also envisioned wireless communication and energy transmission, and in 1901 he successfully transmitted a radio signal across the Atlantic Ocean. Despite his many contributions to science and technology, Tesla was largely forgotten by the public in the years following his death in 1943. However, in recent years, there has been a renewed interest in Tesla's life and work, and he is now recognized as one of the most important inventors of the modern era. In addition to his scientific achievements, Tesla was also known for his eccentric personality and unorthodox habits. He was famously reclusive and had a strong aversion to germs, often wearing white gloves and refusing to touch anything that he deemed unclean. He also claimed to have an eidetic memory and the ability to visualize his inventions in his mind before building them. Despite his brilliance, Tesla struggled with financial difficulties throughout his life. He often failed to patent his inventions, and his generosity towards others led him to give away many of his ideas and patents for free. In his later years, Tesla lived in near poverty, and he died in a hotel room in New York City at the age of 86. In recent years, Tesla has become something of a cultural icon, with numerous books, movies, and TV shows inspired by his life and work. He is widely regarded as a visionary who helped shape the modern world, and his legacy continues to inspire scientists and inventors around the world.